Okay, hello. Thanks for joining and watching. So Dante and I are about to do an activity with his planting journal. If you didn't watch the video, we made a planting journal out of a piece of construction paper and some scrap paper that we had. You can see on the backs of the pages.
You know what? Daddy bring it home.
Daddy brought the papers home from work. We have some of the pages have dates and page numbers on them. So anyway, we like to repurpose paper. So what we did is we cut the scrap paper in half, stapled it into this little book, and every day we have been going over, or every couple days actually, because it's not really something we do every day. We've been writing a sentence or two about what we have observed with our planting. Observed means seen or watched or stuff like that. And Dante's telling me the sentence to write, and I am writing it in highlighter so he can trace my words and get some good practice on how to write his letters. At the top of our page, every time we do it, is the date so we can keep track of when we did it. So that our first day that we planted stuff was March 27th. The next time we did an update was March 31st. And today is April 2nd. So April is the 4th month. So I'm going to write a 4. Even though Dante's really good at his numbers, I'm still having him trace this to get used to how to write the date. Now there are a few ways to write the date when you're writing them with numbers. You could do a line or a dash. We're going to do a dot just because of space. And today's the 2nd, so that number is 2. Now, Dante, what did we observe? And I brought the plants over. What did we observe? We have new sprouts in what? Do you remember? Do you want me to turn the... Red lettuce. That's right. We have a kit called a psychedelic salad. So basically it's kind of regular stuff that goes in salad, but it's fun, different colors. I forget what color these radishes are going to be. I want to say purple.
No, but there's beets too.
Yeah, we have beets too. I'm really excited about those. And we have...
I don't like the beets.
You haven't tried beets. I bet you would like them if you tried them when you're an adult, probably. So what should our sentence be?
We saw sprouts in the radishes, and we saw sprouts in the red lettuce.
So we saw sprouts on the radishes and red lettuce. So that's Dante's sentence. Do you know how to spell we?
No.
It's not...
Yeah.
What is it?
W-E.
Good job. So I'm going to write we. Do you know how to spell saw? It's actually a sight word. You can't...
C-A-W.
Almost. That's really good. It's actually S-A-W. So I'm going to leave a finger space so we know that it's a new word. I'm going to do an imaginary finger space.
S-A-W.
I thought you said C, sorry. So S-A-W. S-A-W. Do you know how to spell sprouts? S.
S.
P.
P.
R.
R.
So it's one of our groups of letters or letter pairs that makes the ow sound. It's actually O-U.
O-U.
Oop.
I didn't know that.
I'm not holding the page, so it might get a little choppy. T.
P.
S.
S.
How do you spell on?
O-N.
Good job. If you hadn't known, I would have said aw, n. Oh, should it say on or in? It's okay. It's fine. So we saw sprouts. That's all right. We saw sprouts on our. Do you know how to do our?
No.
It's the same 2 letters that made the ow in sprouts.
Yeah. Okay, hour.
How do you spell it?
I don't know.
O-U makes the ow sound for this word. Yep. So radish.
Radish.
You can also, if you have the word in front of you, you can just copy it. But it's Tell me the letters. No. When I say the sound, tell me the letter. Yep. A is A. D.
D.
I.
I.
What two letters make the sh sound? Do you know?
S-H.
Good job. Do you know how to spell and?
No.
And is a word you can't really sound out. Two letters make the and sound, and it's A-N. D is D.
D.
So I'm running out of room, so I'm going to have to write a little bit smaller, I think. But let's just finish.
It's actually in radishes.
Red. How do you spell red? You know what? I'm running out of space. Let's just say lettuce.
Yeah.
So, O.
I don't know how to make
O.
L.
L. Eh.
E.
T.
T.
Actually, two T's.
U.
And this is tricky. The S sound is actually a C with an E at the end. And then plants. P.
P.
O.
L.
The two letters that make the an sound are A-N.
A-N. T.
S.
S.
And then period at the end of the sentence. So Dante will now trace the words and the date, the numbers for the date. He'll draw a picture of what he saw, and we will be done. That covers science and writing.
Wait, but what's our science experiment?
You'll find out. All right, thanks for joining us.